Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy DIY Moringa Latte at home that not only tastes amazing but is packed with nutrients. And if you're looking for an easy way to get all the goodness of moringa every single day, check out Moringa Magic. Supplement link is in the description below. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of moringa powder, 1 cup of milk, or your favorite plant-based alternative, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for sweetness, and a pinch of cinnamon or vanilla for extra flavor. Start by gently heating your milk on the stove. Don't let it boil, just warm it up. Then whisk in your moringa powder until it's fully dissolved. Add honey or maple syrup and top it off with a dash of cinnamon. And there you have it, your very own creamy, energizing moringa latte. This super drink is loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals to kickstart your day. Now, if you want all these amazing benefits in the easiest way possible, I highly recommend Moringa Magic Supplement. It's a dietary supplement packed with pure moringa goodness, perfect for when you don't have time to whip up a latte. You'll find the link in the description below. Try this recipe at home and let me know how you like it in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And remember, for the simplest way to boost your health with moringa, grab your Moringa Magic Supplement link is in the description below. See you in the next video.